guys, I've had multiple 100K days on Amazon. Now this is definitely outside the normal when it comes to Amazon FBA, but now I got your attention a little bit. Let me tell you 3 hacks that I've learned for product research when it comes to having days like this and consistently selling on Amazon FBA, because product research is everything. Number 1 is doing product research based on keyword searches, not products themselves. What I mean by this is what are customers actually typing in to Amazon to find products. That way we can see real demand, so 1,000 searches per month, 5,000 searches per month, and then we can fill that demand or see what supply looks like. This is real data. Number 2, niching down into a category. So not going so broad. People want to go for the home run right away, but no, let's niche down to a little subcategory of a broad niche, and then we can slowly work our way up from there. And number 3, thinking long-term if you could build a brand around that product to begin with, because we want to do this 3 years from now, 5 years from now, 10 years from now, and build around that and keep growing the asset. And that's easier if you build a brand. If you guys want more hacks like this, make sure you follow me right here.